Hello. Today we're learning about the phrase dictate to somebody. It means two main things. First, to speak words aloud for someone to write down. Second, to give orders in a controlling way. For example, a boss might dictate instructions to staff, or a person might dictate a letter to their assistant. Remember, you always say dictate to someone, not dictate someone. You cannot put the person between dictate and to. This phrase often sounds formal or a bit bossy. You can use it in offices or when talking about control. Here's an example. She dictated the report to her secretary. And another, don't let anyone dictate to you how to live. It's a useful phrase for work and daily life. Try using it in your next English conversation. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing. See you next time.